Today we're reviewing the SATouchX Universal Communicating Standalone Thermostat. This thermostat provides you with a full color touch screen, 2 stages of cooling, 3 stages of heating. Also comes with a supply and return air sensor and reports back the relative humidity for that space. The SATouchX is compatible with the Zonex Gen UC, Gen X, and Gen V control systems. Today we will be reviewing the SATouchX Zonex thermostat. This is a standalone universal communicating thermostat that is installed and works with the Gen UC, Gen X, and Gen V control systems. Today we will be going over the features and functions of this thermostat, how to configure and set them up. So we'll go over the home screen first. So you can see here, your large number here is your current room temperature, and the numbers on the bottom, the blue and red numbers, are your cool and heat set points. Your current time is displayed in the left-hand corner. The right-hand corner is the 3 white bars, which allows you to go into configuration portion of the thermostat. And the door with the arrow pointing through it is your indicator for occupied and unoccupied operation of the thermostat. In the middle we have a modes button. This will allow you to select and set your thermostat up for heat cool or auto changeover, cool only or heat only operation, and off. To set your thermostat heating and cool set point, just tap on any one place on the screen. This will take you into the set point, and go ahead and adjust your temperatures according to the temperature settings you desire for your heat and cool. Tap on the little white house. It will save that information and take you back to the previous screen. Now let's dive into the configuration of the thermostat. The first thing you want to do in the SATouch thermostat is set the stat ID. So go ahead and select the stat ID and adjust it to the appropriate ID. So to adjust it, use the up and down arrows, set it to the new ID, tap the little white house, take you back to the previous screen, and save that information. Below that is your set unit type. So if you're running a gas unit, electric, or heat pump, O or B operation, go ahead and just select the operation that you so choose. Tap the little white house will save the information and take you back to the previous screen. Go ahead and select fan mode. This will set your fan to run on or auto. When you set it to the on position, it will run on during occupied hours, and during unoccupied hours it will go into the auto mode. So I'm going to put that back to auto. Alright, next in line is our set second stage temperature. So when your stat is 2 degrees or more out of range, it will bring on second stage based off that temperature out of range. That is adjustable anywhere from 2 degrees upwards to 8 degrees. So set it according to the operation you'd like. If you'd like to disable it, you can by go ahead and selecting disabled, and that will disable the second stage operation. If you're running heat pump and you need to run it in emergency heat operation, go ahead and enable this. This will lock out any cool calls and only allow for heat pump emergency heat operation. Once the emergency heat operation is over, go ahead and disable it. This will put it back into normal operation mode. Alright, override unoccupied. This allows you to place your thermostat into an override mode when the system is unoccupied. Currently the system is occupied, so there is no override feature available. If it did say unoccupied, you can go ahead and tap on that, select override operation, and your thermostat will operate for anywhere from 2 to 8 hours override feature that's based on your configuration at your main control board. Alright, set temperature. If you wanted to set your temperature, you can set it through the menu or on your main screen, as we've already gone over. Alright, now the next one is select occupied light. If you want to adjust the brightness of the backlight on the thermostat, you can, anywhere from 100% down to off. We also allow for the unoccupied backlight to be adjusted, anywhere from 100% to off. This will allow you to extend your backlight during the unoccupied hours, being that you don't need it to be illuminated. Below that is select mode. If you wanted to select your mode for operation, which you can do on the main screen, but you can also do it here through the menu options. Moving on to our next screen. Alright, set display accuracy. This will allow you to display the accuracy on your home screen, showing currently either as 1 degree operation, or you can show the 10th degree operation if you so choose. They come default from the factory at the 1 degree operation. So if you'd like to change that, you can. Current schedule. You can view the current schedule at the thermostat. This is a view only option. All schedules are given to the thermostat through the Gen UC, Gen X, or Gen V controller. So if you want to see the schedule that was given to the thermostat, you can. Your time and date. You can confirm your time and date being reported to the thermostat from your controllers. Fahrenheit. If your system was set up for Fahrenheit and or Celsius and you wanted to confirm that, you could. This is a view only option. Current version of your thermostat. Alright, calibrate display. If your display is off and you wanted to recalibrate it, you can go ahead and adjust it to the current temperature that is reporting based off readings you're getting from a temperature stick or probe. Go ahead and adjust it accordingly. Tap on the little white house to save the information. Select diagnostic allows you to view all the information that the thermostat is providing. So our current communication, our current leaving and return air temperatures, the current relative humidity for that space. And if you wanted to test your relays, you can energize your relays on and off. If you wanted to confirm their operation, and you could confirm that your LEDs for the heating and cooling lights or LEDs light up. Temperature source, if you wanted to display your relative humidity at the top of the thermostat, as you see here, or if you wanted to display your leaving air temperature for the system at the top of the thermostat, you can do that as well. Or if you want to show no display, go ahead and just change it to no display. Alright, once you've gone ahead and dialed everything in, the last but not least is your advanced menu feature. We want to set this to user. Once you set this to the user operation, it will hide all of the advanced feature menus that we just went over and prevent an end user from changing information we don't want them to change. So as you can see now, the only thing it's showing us is our override features, set temp, occupied, unoccupied, brightness, and our modes, as well as display accuracy, current schedules, time, date, version, calibration. Alright, if you want to access the advanced menu after you've put it into the user mode, to do that, you're just going to go ahead and tap on the degree symbol. It will turn green. This is enable the advanced menu features, and as you can see now, your set ID, select menu type, fan mode, staging, emergency heat, those features are all now available for you to make those changes. And once you go back, you're back to normal operation. That covers the review of the SATouchX thermostat. Thank you very much.